Hello everyone. For our next item, make 6 circles and you may choose the colors as you please. 2 big circles, 2 medium-sized circles and 2 small circles. So the big circles will form the head and the body, whereas the medium-sized circles will form the legs and the small-sized circles will form the arms. Then cut out some bunny ears in the shapes as shown above with the same colors that you have already chosen. Add some googly eyes, hearts for the blush, and add a cute little mouth and a nose. For our next drawing, cut out some clouds and stick them on light blue colored paper. Take a yellow square paper and fold it as such. Then fold it multiple times over so as to form many patterned lines on the yellow size paper. Now make smaller strips of lines and fold them as such. You will fold them each on the opposite end so as to form a fan shape at the end of it. Now you will fold over this fan shaped paper, stick 2 of the edges as such to finally form a circle. Once you have formed these fan shapes, you can stick them around, make the circle in different colors. Now these colors will be stuck on different places. You can repeat the fan shape similarly to add the tails, and this will form birds. Add wind effect and legs for the birds and eyes. For this next craft, take a sheet of paper and cut out strips on one of the sides. Do this multiple times with different sheets of paper and then roll them in different lengths using a pencil. As you can see, you have to repeat this process with the white sheet of paper as well as the blue sheet of paper that are above. Then cut out 2 circles, many circles actually of different sizes, and form semicircles out of them. Cut out many other circles, 4 of them, and we have chosen purple to do so. Create semicircles out of this, and as seen, tilt the bigger semicircle and add the smaller semicircles as shown above. This will make something look like a whale. Add splashing water effects on top, and there you have it, a whale in water in a 3D effect. You may add clouds on top. For our next craft, cut out a red piece of paper in the shape of a heart. So do this many times and fold it over. Stick it as such to give an illusionary effect. Following which you will add dots and add green portions behind, so now they would look like strawberries. Please remember, it is always all in the details. Add the green portions on everything and there you have it. Multiple strawberries with the green portions. Thank you for watching.